Today we're going to take a look at some of the best VR cameras on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Insta3601RS. The Insta3601RS Twin Edition is a groundbreaking action camera designed to revolutionize your content creation. With a host of features including interchangeable lenses, waterproof capabilities, 4K 60fps video, 5.7K 360-degree recording, image stabilization, for 8MP photo capture, and active HDR, the Insta3601RS offers endless possibilities for capturing your adventures. The Insta3601RS offers the unique advantage of two lenses in a single camera. You can seamlessly switch between the new 4K boost lens for stunning wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for immersive, panoramic shots. This versatility allows you to adapt to different shooting scenarios, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Effortless flow state stabilization. Regardless of the lens you choose, the Insta3601RS ensures buttery smooth image stabilization. The powerful RS Core technology delivers flow state stabilization in camera, eliminating the need for post-production editing. Your videos will remain steady, even in the most dynamic and action-packed situations. High-resolution photos and videos. Number 2. Insta360X3. The Insta360X3 is a revolutionary waterproof 360 action camera that takes your adventures to the next level. With impressive features like 5.7K 360 active HDR video, dual 1/2 for 8MP sensors, 7MP 360 photos, 4000 single lens mode, ME mode at 60fps, advanced stabilization, a 2.9 touchscreen, AI editing capabilities, and live streaming options, this camera is a game changer for all your action-packed moments. Capture every angle with 360 active HDR video. With the Insta360X3, you'll never miss a moment of the action. This camera records in stunning 5.7K 360 active HDR video, ensuring that every detail is vividly preserved. What's more, the AI-powered Insta360 app provides easy reframing tools, allowing you to select your favorite angle after the fact. This feature adds a new dimension to your video editing capabilities, giving you the creative freedom to tell your story just the way you envision it. Enhanced image quality with dual for 8MP sensors, the Insta360X3 is equipped with dual 1/2 for 8MP sensors that deliver exceptional image quality even in low light conditions. These sensors capture 7MP photos and enable you to create stunning 8K time-lapse videos. Whether you're capturing action shots in broad daylight or venturing into low-light environments. Number 3. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is a groundbreaking waterproof camera that combines the power of both traditional and 360-degree capture, offering unmatched versatility for adventure enthusiasts and content creators. With features like touchscreen spherical 5.6K 30HD video, 16.6MP 360 photos, 1080p live streaming, and max hyper-smooth stabilization, the GoPro Max is a game changer. With the GoPro Max, you get 3 cameras in one device. This camera allows you to shoot traditional hero-style videos and photos, as well as capture immersive 360-degree footage. It's the perfect tool for vlogging, offering shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen that lets you vlog with confidence. Max Hyper-Smooth Stabilization. One of the standout features of the GoPro Max is its Max Hyper-Smooth Stabilization. By using a 180-degree capture as the ultimate buffer, Max provides unbreakable stabilization. Whether you're capturing high-speed action or shooting in challenging environments, your footage will remain incredibly smooth and professional-looking. Number 4. Insta360 Pro to Camera. The Pro to Camera is a cutting-edge device that redefines the way we experience and create virtual reality content. With its 6 lenses working in harmony to produce intricately detailed 3D VR experiences, the Pro 2 is a game changer for content creators. In this article, we will explore the remarkable features of the Pro 2 camera, including flow state stabilization, HDR video and photo capture, no-stitch editing, and Farsight 360 live monitoring, which collectively make it a must-have tool for those seeking to tell their stories with dynamic camera movements and exceptional quality. Immersive 3D VR experiences, the Pro 2 camera boasts 6 lenses that seamlessly collaborate to create stunningly detailed 3D VR content. This means you can capture scenes in a way that truly immerses your audience. Whether you're in the midst of an epic adventure or showcasing a unique location, the Pro 2 allows you to transport viewers to your world like never before. Flow state stabilization. Forget the need for bulky stabilization equipment or the headache of post-production editing. The Pro 2 camera offers flow state stabilization, ensuring that your footage remains perfectly stable even during bold and dynamic camera movements. This feature empowers you to tell your story with confidence, without worrying about shaky or jittery footage. HDR video and photo capture, the Pro 2 camera doesn't just capture images and videos. It captures natural lighting, even when conditions vary in every direction. Number 5 Ricoh Theta SC2 4K camera. The Ricoh Theta SC2 360 camera is a powerful device that allows you to capture your life from a unique perspective. With its high-resolution image and video capabilities, along with innovative features like 4K video recording and night view mode, this camera offers a remarkable experience for those who seek to create immersive content. The Ricoh Theta SC2 camera is designed to effortlessly capture immersive images and videos in 360. Whether you're documenting your travels, special events, or everyday moments, this camera offers a unique perspective that sets your content apart. It's a powerful tool for those who want to share their world in a new and exciting way. High image quality. One of the standout features of the Ricoh Theta SC2 is its ability to record natural 360 still images and videos with high resolution and precise image stitching. This ensures that your content is of the highest quality, with sharp details and vibrant colors. Your 360 creations will be a visual treat for your viewers. For K-movie capability, the Ricoh Theta SC2 is not limited to photos. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.